Hey, 3D printing enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a review of Central 3D Printing's ABS Plus filament, which I used to print this awesome wine barrel pencil holder. Spoiler alert! At just $16.99 for a 1 kilogram spool, this filament is an absolute steal. Let's break down why ABS Plus is a fantastic choice and how Central 3D's offering stacks up in terms of quality and price. First, let's talk about ABS Plus. This filament is an enhanced version of standard ABS, known for its durability, strength, and versatility. ABS Plus is perfect for functional prints like this pencil holder because it's tougher than PLA, with better impact resistance and heat tolerance, up to about 100 degrees Celsius. That means your prints can handle a bit of rough use or a warm environment without deforming. Check out the quality of this print. The wine barrel has crisp details, from the wood grain texture to the tiny hoop bands. ABS Plus from Central 3D Printing gave me smooth layer adhesion and minimal warping, which can be a challenge with standard ABS. The filament's improved formula reduces those pesky issues like cracking or layer separation, making it easier to work with, even for hobbyists. Now, let's get to the best part, the price. At $16.99 for a 1 kilogram spool, Central 3D's ABS Plus is a phenomenal deal. Compared to other brands where ABS Plus can run $20 to $30 per kilo, this is budget-friendly without skimping on quality. I've printed with pricier filaments, and honestly, Central 3D's ABS Plus holds its own with consistent extrusion, vibrant colors, and no clogs during my print sessions. So, quality versus price? Central 3D nails it. You're getting a filament that rivals higher-end brands at a fraction of the cost. The wine barrel came out with no stringing, and the color consistency is spot on. For $16.99, you're getting professional-grade results on a budget, which is perfect for makers who want to print a lot without breaking the bank. Final thoughts? Central 3D Printing's ABS Plus is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to create durable, high-quality prints like this wine barrel pencil holder. At $16.99, it's an